Okay, fifth grade, the way that we just talked about making equivalent fractions was using multiplication. Now we're going to go back to the top of page 223 for another way. And you will see another way there is that you can divide the numerator and the denominator by the same non-zero number if they both can be divided evenly. Only if they can be divided evenly. So I need you to go ahead and get that notes. If it's small here on the board, I apologize. Use your textbook to get it copied down. Another way is that you can divide both the top and bottom by the same number, but only if they can both be divided evenly. That's the tricky part with division. And multiplying, it doesn't matter. You can multiply by any number except 0 and 1. But dividing, you have to find the numbers that they both can be divisible by. So they started here with 10/15. Okay, and what number can you divide 10 and 15 both by evenly?
5.
5. Good job, Miss Bennett. So we can divide top and bottom by 5. 10 divided by 5 gives us 2, and 15 divided by 5 gives us 3. So 10/15 is also equivalent to 2/3. Now, is there another number we can divide 10 and 15 by evenly to get another equivalent fraction? Take a second and think about it. And the answer is what, fifth grade? It's no. So you will see for division, it's not going to be as easy as multiplication because sometimes there will only be one number we can use to make an equivalent fraction. Okay, let's do some other practicing. Let's take another number. Again, this is not in your textbook. You will see at the top they only gave you one example, so please follow closely with me. Let's take the number 2/18 for example. Okay, look at 2/18 and ask yourself, what number can I divide both 2 and 18 by? And that is 2. Good. Now, we will go into further detail in class 5th grade on how to mentally think, but when you get these fractions, you might want to start by thinking, okay, can I do 2 divided by 2? Because at this point, you can't go any higher. Okay, so what is 2 divided by 2? 1. Good. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. So an equivalent fraction for 2/18 using division is 1/9. And we can't use any other number because you can't go higher than that number to divide. So again, this is an example of a fraction that only has one number you can divide by to get an equivalent fraction. Let's do another one. Let's take 3/6. What number can we divide 3 and 6 both by evenly? 3. Good. So we divide
1/3.
3 divided by 3, which gives us
1/3.
1, and 6 divided by 3, which gives us 3, as Miss Bennett said, will equal 1/3. And you should be that quick too. You see how fast Miss Bennett was in answering? Make sure we're practicing our facts. All right, let's do one more. Let's do 3/9. Okay, what number can we divide 3 and 9 both by?
1/2. You know what? That
Yes.
last example, shouldn't that be 1/2?
Ha. Yes, and you said 3 and I went with it.
1/2.
Let's go back 5th grade. 6 divided by 3 is not 3
2.
because 3 times
1/2.
3 gives us what?
Yeah.
9.
Okay,
Thanks,
dokie.
guys. We're waking up. I hope you caught it and we're questioning. This should be
Uh-oh.
really 1/2.
Oh,
I know what I
smart
did.
boy.
I got it.
Okay. Alrighty.
All right, I hope you all caught our mistake. Hope you were on your toes.
Yeah,
All
maybe
right.
we'll make more mistakes so they can say, no, that's not right.
Right, so you can, make fun of us. Okay, Now we're going to take this one, and we said we divide both top and bottom by 3. 3 divided by 3
There's
gives
your
us
1/3.
1, and 9 divided by 3 gives us 3. This one is 1/3. See, Miss Bennett was seeing into the future. She was trying to jump ahead of the game. See? Okay, so again, when you're trying to do another way to get an equivalent fraction, you can use division. The difference between division, though, and multiplication is that you have to find a number that they both are evenly divided by. All right, good job. Okay, now we are going to go